Do you know more money won't fix your finances? Now, basically, the reason why I'm saying this is because we always talk about you having multiple streams of income so that you can be able to always have a plan B if plan A is not working out and whatnot, right? But then, even though you have these extra sources of income and you have more money, if you can't manage it, then it's the same like mtu mwenye akona just one stream of income and they're surviving and they're trying to just live hata kani paycheck to paycheck or whatever that they have or day to day, you know. And most times you'll find people don't plan and they tend to just spend money because they think they have it. So basically they don't budget. So ukianza kuuliza mtu what are your numbers, tell me your numbers, and I'll use an example like debts. Mara mingi ukiuliza mtu how much do you actually owe, they'll be like maybe approximately like 10k, 20k, 300k, but really they can't break it down and tell you I actually have this loan worth this much, you know, because they are afraid to look at their numbers. You really need to look at your numbers. You really need to know where you're at. If it is investments, you also need to know, by the way, nilikuwa nimeka hii pesa hapa na hapa na this is how much it's growing. So you have to also keep tabs as much as mnafunguanga hata hizi investments accounts. Okay, fine, your money is growing hailali, but what's the progress? Are you achieving the goal that you set? And are you really getting to your why? And basically why is the WHY. What was your why when you were taking up these plans? Are they making sense? So most times people cannot answer all this, you know. So hata ukipata pesa mob, ukianza kuongezea pesa, how will you be able to manage it kama hii kidogo you can't even manage it? You can't even answer small questions. So as much as we are looking for more streams of income, you also need to really try and manage and learn how to deal with your finances. Invest in financial literacy. As in, we mwenyewe unataka pesa kutengenezea more money, lakini you don't want to know even how it works. We are not saying that you have to learn everything. That's why we have experts in every line of business, because you want to also get advice, but just know basics, you know, so that at least you know how your money is growing and working out for you, because you need to answer for your finances. Then you will realize that most times these people don't have budgets, okay? And again, finance 101, ikikuja kwa pesa zako, you must know where your money comes in, you know, because hautaki sawa leo umetengeneza more money than ever, deal imekam, things are working out vizuri kabisa, but do you know, because haukuwa na budget na haukuwa na expect hii pesa, na kama tu ulikuwa na expect, you'll just use it for very random things that will not even help you. And sometimes hata ukipata that extra money, you want to upgrade your life so fast that in case anything happened, unaweza go back to even the bare minimum kuliko hata how you were living before. And I don't think anyone wants to do that. So as much as we're really focused on having more money and whatnot, please try and know how to manage your finances with what you already have. Again, if you cannot manage what you already have, what makes you so sure that you'll be able to manage that money ikiongezeka? Invest in financial literacy. The information is almost everywhere these days. Do your research. As in, always niambia unaweza kosa 1 hour, 2 hours in a week, or even a month, as in just for you to learn something new about finances. And this affects you everywhere. You want to survive, you want to do something, you need money. So why don't you also just know how it works? Create that time, you know, and see how you can better your lifestyle. I hope you have learned something today, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.